Anatomy of the bone. Objective: to study the internal structure of a long bone. In humans, the skeletal system is made up of bones. The femur or thigh bone is called a long bone, having a shaft known as a diaphysis, and the two extremities are called the epiphysis. The epiphysis regions are covered by a hyaline cartilage. The outer covering of the bone is known as the periosteum. A bone consists of numerous blood vessels. In the diaphysis region next to the periosteum is the layer of compact bone. Next to it is the spongy bone. It consists of a network of thin, interconnected bony structures called trabeculi. The spaces between these are filled with soft marrow tissue. A look inside the spongy bone shows some bone cells like the osteoclast, which can absorb worn-out bone tissue. Another type of cell seen is the osteoblast, which synthesize new bone matrix. We also observe some stem cells which can divide and redivide to form numerous stem cells. These cells then lose their nucleus and get transformed into red blood corpuscles. One of the major functions of the bone marrow is to produce RBCs. A magnified view of the compact bone shows that it is composed of many parallel and longitudinally arranged columns called Haversian system or osteon. The area between Haversian systems is occupied by interstitial lamellae. Each Haversian system consists of several concentric layers of plates of bones known as lamellae. In between the lamellae, we observe flat irregular spaces known as lacunae. They contain the tissue fluid along with osteoblast. The lacunae are connected to each other by fine channels called the caniculi. The longitudinal central canal is known as the Haversian canal. It contains the nerves, blood vessels, and the lymph vessels. A recap will help us remember that a long bone has a periosteum and numerous blood vessels. It has numerous Haversian systems, each of which has lamellae, lacunae, caniculi, and a central Haversian canal.